So I figured out the proper way of doing this now. So if we turn this on, power light comes on, and in a second or two, the LED for the hard drive will start to flicker. Okay, I'm just going to do that. There we go. There you go. So I got it wrong. It was mentioned to me about that switch on the Kira. What happens is, if you push this, if you push it back the way, it actually stops the keyboard from working properly. So you have to have it forward. You have to push it this way. Once you've done that, what it does, I've connected the red wire to the second pin. That's for the floppy. I still need to figure out how to get the floppy drive to work. I left it there for just now. Everything else is actually over here. So, for the hard drive light, if I go down a bit, and there we go. The hard drive light is the white wire. If you buy all the stuff that I've bought, it's the third from the top left. So the top left there, 1, 2, third one in, that's for your hard drive light. Now, you have to type in some commands to make this work, otherwise it won't do anything. For the power, for what I bought, it was the yellow and black wire. The black wire is in the second one in from the right bottom row, as you can see. And the yellow is the third. If you go down to the bottom right, third in from the left. Now once you've done that, you basically got to come from this. You've got to come out of it, like so. You go down to quit, like so, quit. And then you have to type in this. Just zoom in so you can see it. So if you type in that, that will get you into the config file where you have to type in the rest to tell basically the Pi what everything does. So I'm just going to push enter, like so, and nope, yes. So I don't know what happened there, but if we go down to the bottom, basically you have to type in this. So the top one, the dtoverlay, basically what it is dtoverlay equals act minus LED, comma, activelow equals on, comma, gpio equals 19. That is for your hard drive switch, or LED I should say. Enable underscore uart equals 1 is for your power button, or your power LED I should say. So once you've typed in them two lines, everything will work. What you then do is Control X. It'll ask you if you want to save, you click yes. And once you've done that, it will show you the text file. So it will say like config.txt, just push enter, it'll save over it and it'll come out. Once you've done that, you type in reboot and everything will work. So let's see if we can get this to work. So if I hold that there, Control X. Now I've already saved this, so I came out of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on reboot, like so. And what's going to happen is this is going to turn off. And down here, as you can see, the powers came back on. And in a second or two, it will start to boot up. And you'll see in a second or two that the light will start to flash. There we go. Hard drive light started. As you can see, it's booting up just now. And if I go back down here, as you can see, in a second or two, because it stopped doing what it's supposed to be doing just now. There we go. It's still flashing. That's how I got my Raspberry Pi inside my Amiga using a Kira, a normal keyboard, and that's how I made it work.